Good afternoon, students of class 5. Welcome back to the second part of the lesson 27, the conjunctions. In the previous video, I have already introduced this lesson to you, and we have learned there are three basic types of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions, second one is subordinative conjunctions, and third one is correlative conjunctions. And we discussed coordinating conjunctions in the previous video. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. In order to remember easily, we have a word fanboys. F stand for, A and, N nor, B but, O or, A Y et, and S so. Fanboys. And we learned how to use these conjunctions in the appropriate place in the proper sentence given. Now today we are going to discuss the second basic type of conjunctions. That is the subordinative conjunctions. Subordinative conjunctions. Kindly follow the book, page 112. Those of you who have attended Google Meet on Friday, I have already explained this in the class during the period. So those of you who have not attended and those who have not still have some doubts, for them I am preparing this video once again so that you can go along following your book and the video to make you to become more understanding towards this particular topic. So kindly follow the book. I'll explain to you. Subordinating conjunctions. This type is used in linking two clauses. Subordinating conjunctions describe the relationship between the dependent clause and independent clause. Now, before we understanding about subordinative conjunctions, we have this type is used in linking two clauses. Now, first and foremost, we should know what is a clause. No, C-L-A-U-S-E-S, clauses. So, clauses, it is like a simple sentences. The importance is in a clause when we search, it should be a group of words. No, clause has a group and it's supposed to be having relative sentences, like so it has a group of words. Then there should be a subject and verb in it. No, in a clause there should be subject and a verb, and it also has a complete meaning by itself. No, it has a complete meaning by itself. So three things when we see a sentence, if there is a subject verb and it is a group, it has a group of words and it has giving a complete meaning by itself, that means it is a clause. So all the simple sentences all are clauses. No, so for example, like he plays cricket. He plays cricket, for example. So we have to search for first whether they are group of words. Yes, he plays cricket, they are group of words. Now we should know whether there are subject and verb. He is a subject and plays is a verb. Then he plays cricket regularly, if it is a complete sentence we are giving. So it is a simple sentence and it gives a complete meaning to us. So he plays cricket regularly. He subject, then verb, and it is a group of words. It has a group of words and plus it gives us a complete meaning. That means this is a clause. Now clauses, there are two types. First one is independent clauses and we have a dependent clauses. Independent clauses means by itself it can stand and it gives a complete meaning, and it has both the subject and the verb, but it can have a complete meaning. For example, you may sit. Now if I say you may sit, so it is a complete sentence. You may sit. It's a complete sentence giving a complete meaning, and there is no something else for us to understand. Yes, that is missing. No, it is a complete short sentences complete sentence. So this is like there is no need of depending on something else, object or something. So we can say this, you may sit, yes we can. So we answer to that and we sit. But dependent clauses means it has a subject and verb, but it is not a complete sentences. For example, wherever you may go or wherever you like. Now if I say wherever you like, we cannot understand what is wherever you like. So we have a question mark, what? No. But if I say wherever you, if I complete making the complete. So dependent clauses, what happen? It need a support. It cannot stand by itself. It has to depend upon the either the first part or second part of the last part of the sentence has to be joined something. But if I say you may sit wherever you like, so it is getting a complete sentence. That means it becomes independent sentence. So these are only two things here to remember. Clauses are group of simple sentences. It has a group of words. It gives us complete meaning, and it has a subject and the verb, and it is complete sentences. It gives meaning to us. And in the clauses there are two types, that is independent clauses and dependent clauses. Independent clauses can stand by itself. It gives a meaning by the sentence. Dependent clauses need support. It needs support to stand, and otherwise it does not give a meaning. So wherever you like, that dependent, you need something else to complete that sentence. It does not give by itself a meaning. So we add you may sit wherever you like. So it has become complete sentence, and it is a dependent sentence clauses. So I hope you have understood. Now we'll go ahead with the subordinative conjunctions. Now between subordinating conjunctions describe the relationship between the dependent clause and the independent clauses. No clause. List some subordinating conjunctions. While, as soon as, although, before, even if, because, no matter, how, whether, wherever, when, until, after, as if, provided, in that, once, unless, as, so that, though, since. All these are examples for subordinating conjunctions. Examples for subordinating conjunctions given in your book. You must take off shoes if you want to go inside the temple. So we have if. If it is Sunday today, therefore the markets are closed. You cannot enter the examination hall unless you produce your admit card. So most of the sentences are belonging to sentences relating with dependent clause and independent clause. Do not start moving until the light turns green. We rented this house so that we could live near the office. Although he is quite rich, he leads a simple life. I have heard that the school is closed tomorrow. Ruchi was still doing her homework when the lights went off. The plants dried up because nobody watered them regularly. They are rich yet unhappy. So these are the examples given for, and all these words which are given as a list of subordinating conjugations. While we were using, but we did not know the difference between coordinating conjunctions, subordinative conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Because of that, up to class 4 we were not having this division. Now onwards we have to pay. Yes, when we read a sentence there are conjunctions, then we should know, yes, this belongs to this category of conjunctions. And we also should know clauses describing relationship between dependent clause and independent clause. So that also we should keep in mind. Okay, next one is correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions or merely correlatives. So always conjunctions will be in pair. This also you are aware, but we did not know the division. For example, both and. We both love and honor him. So both and is put as a pair of conjunctions, that is known as a correlative conjunctions. Either or. Either take it or leave it. Neither nor or neither or nor. It is neither useful nor ornamental. No, neither we can use it, nor we can keep it as a for the show. Not only but also, not only is he foolish but also obstinate. Not only he is foolish but he has no head, no, obstinate. Whether or I do not care whether you go or stay. So these are the pairing correlative conjunctions. So we were knowing these conjunctions, we were using it, but we did not know the division. So this type of pairing or those conjunctions which we use in pairs, they are known as a correlative conjunctions. So please go through this lesson. We have the overview once again. A conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. So, or group of words together, they are known as conjunctions. Some conjunctions are usually used in pairs. They are called correlative conjunctions, I told you. And we have three basic conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions, subordinative conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. So please go through. I have already given you as a homework and with the done work of your book work. Please go through this. Now one of the important thing that we have to learn from here is there will be like joining the sentences. Two sentences will be given or two clauses will be given. You have to make it using or given conjunctions to join and make it one sentence. So I'll be forwarding one exercises for the classwork as well as for the homework. Thereafter you will do the book work given to you in the book. So thank you. Read well and try to understand. If you have not understood while we are taking a Google Meet, kindly try to join the Google Meet so that you can clear your doubts easily. Thank you.